Make your next adventure a little more comfortable with the ultralight sleeping pad from Sleep & Go. Roughing it doesn't mean you have to get a rough night of sleep. Take the pad on any trip for a better rest. Inflate it fast and easy with just 10 to 13 breaths. 2 inches of thickness keep you well above the ground and supported in any position, even on your side. Made with ripstop nylon, the pad is durable and waterproof to hold up against the elements. The air cells of the pad contour to your body for optimal support and comfort. Rest easy on your next adventure with the Sleep & Go Ultralight Sleeping Pad.
Design is easy to set up. Once you've removed the tent from the pouch and released the holding straps, clutching the top side of the tent, simply toss it out and watch it pop open. Next, lay it face down and unfold the tent in 2 halves. Separate the 2 halves, pull them apart, and stand the tent upright. The Wolfwise Privacy Tent with open shower design can be used for changing clothes in private when you're out in the wilderness, at the beach, or on a camping trip with ample room to stand and move. The Wolfwise Privacy Tent can be equipped at each corner with a solid rope attached to a sandbag for extra support. Inside is spacious and has an opening in the roof for a shower head. The inside is roomy with a towel or clothes hanger, storage bags, and a toilet paper holder. Additionally, it comes with a removable rain cover. Packing the Wolfwise Privacy Tent up is just as easy as opening it. Simply lay the tent face down, folded in half. Fold the tent in half one more time. Grip the tent from the bottom on both sides with an underside grip. Fold from the bottom of the tent up to the top from the middle of the tent. Once folded in half, switch your hands from an underside grip to a topside grip. With minimal effort, continue to fold the bottom of the tent into the center of the tent and allow the 2 sides to collapse onto one another, forming a complete circle. The tent is now fully folded. Place it back in its pouch and you can be on your way.